This is Rakuya Foze from APN and you're watching updates from Meghalaya. Following the burning of effigies and massive protests in Mawlai area against the encounter of former HNC leader Chesterfield Thanku, the protesters took the streets chanting slogan seeking justice for the leader. Chief Minister Konrad Sangma on Thursday failed to give any commitment on the growing demand for suspension of 2 police officials involved in the encounter of the leader. Acting on the query, CM told that the purpose of setting up judicial inquiry was to find out the facts pertaining to the case, and as the majority of the people have welcomed the government to move to institute a judicial inquiry over the incident, it would be unfair for the inquiry commission for not giving fair chance. Sangma asserted that the action will be taken up only after the reports and proper investigation has been done on the entire case. Meanwhile, the protesters under the banner Kasu Ki Mong Mawlai has decided to intensify its agitation to mount pressure on the state government to accept the demand. The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Konrad Sangma, after the cabinet meeting, announced that the state will resume its tourism from 1st September with certain norms as decided by the government of the states. Sangma said that those with both vaccine doses can enter the state. However, the tourists with only 1 dose and not vaccinated can also visit by producing a negative report of RT-PCR test within 72 hours prior to arrival at the entry point. Moreover, locals with fully or partially vaccinated can also visit the site, and those unvaccinated locals have to provide negative reports before visiting the place. He further added that reopening varies from place to place depending on the local authorities' own set of protocols. The health department, despite of the challenges and hesitation of vaccines in the states, has targeted to vaccinate at least 75% of population by end of September. The Principal Secretary of Health Department, Sampath Kumar, while speaking to the media, told that 50 to 60% should be achieved by this month and 75% is expected to complete by the end of September. Kumar also mentioned that several awareness campaigns are being done along with traditional institutions and managed to mobilize various groups, and the efforts made by the state government regarding the vaccine hesitation has brought a positive result, and this was the reason they have crossed 50%. The newly appointed Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee Chief Vincent H. Pala on Thursday admitted that the state Congress has to reorganize, discipline and strengthen itself and work together to stand any chance of making a comeback in the assembly election in 2023. Pala told that the comeback is not sure but to work together, and the present government may be weak but Congress may be more weaker until reorganize is done. The public knows the weakness of the present government, and hence the Congress has to give hope and inspire the youths, he added.